Mr. Aftab, the beloved school teacher, was known for his wisdom and kindness. One sunny morning, as he entered his classroom, he noticed a sense of restlessness among his students. They seemed impatient and eager for the school day to end. Mr. Aftab decided it was the perfect opportunity to teach them a valuable lesson about patience. He began his lecture by saying, "Class, today we are going to talk about an important virtue called patience. Patience is the ability to wait calmly and without complaining when things don't go our way." The students exchanged curious glances, wondering how patience related to their daily lives. Mr. Aftab continued, "Life is full of challenges, and sometimes we might not get what we want immediately. But remember, patience can help us deal with these challenges more effectively." To illustrate his point, Mr. Aftab shared a story. Once, there was a young farmer who planted seeds in his field. He watered them, nurtured them, and waited for them to grow into healthy crops. But he had to wait patiently, for it takes time. Similarly, in life, when you set a goal or face a problem, it's essential to stay patient and keep working hard. He went on, "Patience can also help us in our relationships. When we argue with our friends or family, it's important to take a deep breath, be patient, and listen to each other's perspective. This way, we can resolve conflicts peacefully." As the lecture continued, Mr. Aftab engaged his students with real-life examples and encouraged them to share their experiences. By the end of the class, the students had a better understanding of the significance of patience. One of the students raised their hand and said, "Mr. Aftab, thank you for teaching us about patience. I'll try to be more patient from now on, even when things get tough." Mr. Aftab smiled and replied, "That's wonderful to hear. Remember, patience is a virtue that will serve you well throughout your life. It allows you to stay calm, make better decisions, and handle challenges gracefully." The class ended on a positive note, and the students left with a newfound appreciation for patience. Just like the farmer patiently tends to his crops and waits for them to grow, we too should cultivate patience in our lives. By doing so, we can make better decisions, work towards our long-term goals, and resolve conflicts peacefully, ultimately leading to a more fulfilled and content life. Patience is a valuable quality